Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Google Calendar to Notion in minutes, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two powerful tools so you can streamline your scheduling and project management. Let's get started with the first step. Head over to Zapier, which is a platform that connects different apps together. Simply type Zapier into your web browser and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you're in, type Connect My Google Calendar to Notion into the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Zapier will guide you through the process of linking your Google Calendar with Notion, allowing you to automate tasks between the two applications. After you've typed that in, click on Send and wait for it to load. This may take a moment, so feel free to grab a sip of water while you wait. Once it's loaded, you'll see an option that says Continue with Zap Editor. Click on that. The Zap Editor is where you'll customize how Google Calendar and Notion will work together. Think of it as the control center for your automation. Now it's time to log into both your Google account and Notion. Click the Sign In button for each app. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to access your calendars and notes. Once you've successfully logged in, click on Test Steps. This is where Zapier checks to ensure everything is set up correctly. It's like a quick health check for your integration. Finally, head back to Notion to see if it's working. You should now see your Google Calendar events reflected in Notion. This integration will help you manage your time more efficiently, keeping all your tasks and appointments in one place. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.